Look around you right now. The wall in front of you. The light in the room. The colors of everything you see. You believe this is the real world. But the truth is, what you are seeing is only a tiny fraction of reality. Not because the world is poor, but because the human brain is limited. From a young age, we are taught that the world has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. It sounds complete. It sounds scientific. But those are not the colors of the universe. They are only the colors the human eye can detect. Light is a continuous spectrum, stretching from low energy to extremely high energy. Everything humans can see exists in a very narrow slice. If the entire electromagnetic spectrum were compressed into a long band, human vision would occupy a segment so small it would barely matter. The rest is still there, but our eyes never reach it. And here is the part that shocks many people. Color does not exist out there. A flower is not actually purple. A leaf is not truly green. They only reflect specific wavelengths of light. It is your brain that creates color. The brain receives signals. The brain processes them, and then decides this is blue and that is red. In other words, color is a biological construct, an illusion standardized to help humans survive. And if biology were different, the world you see would be completely different. We do not share the same visual world with other species, is less than #0. 7# is greater than we only share the same physical space. Every species exists inside its own version of reality. Take bees as an example. To humans, a flower simply sits there, beautiful and still. But to a bee, the flower is not silent at all. Bees can see ultraviolet light, and under that vision, petals reveal patterns humans will never see. Guiding lines, biological signals, direct paths leading straight to nectar. An entire field of flowers becomes a glowing map. Flowers were not designed for humans to admire. They were designed to communicate with bees. Humans are only outsiders to that conversation. Now look up at the sky. To us, it appears as a vast, empty blue space. But to birds, the sky is never empty. Birds can see polarized light, a form of light humans cannot perceive at all. Under that vision, the sky has structure, direction, order. Even when the sun is hidden behind clouds, birds still know where they are going, because the sun leaves traces in the light itself. We see an empty sky. Birds see an invisible coordinate system. And then there is darkness. To humans, darkness means a lack of information. But to snakes, darkness does not exist. Some snakes do not see light at all. They see heat. Every living creature becomes a glowing shape. Every prey animal becomes a source of energy. In that world, there is no night. Only life and non-life. Snakes do not need color. They need to know what is alive is less than Haitian. 3# is greater than, and then there is one creature that completely challenges the human idea of vision. The mantis shrimp. This animal has far more photoreceptors than humans. It sounds like it should see a more colorful world. But the reality is the opposite. Its brain does not mix colors. It identifies wavelengths directly. Its world is not smooth, not blended, but fragmented, fast, precise. It does not appreciate color. It reads signals. And this is the key point. More does not mean more beautiful. It only means more suited to survival. So who is really seeing the world correctly? Humans, bees, birds, or snakes? The answer is no one. Every species only sees the part of reality it needs to survive. Reality has no absolute correct version, only useful ones. And now comes the unsettling question. If some species can see ultraviolet light, others can see heat, others can see polarized light. How many other forms of light still exist? Colors that have never been named, signals that have never been detected. They are here, all around you. Not because they do not exist, but because no brain evolved to need them. Humans like to believe they are the center, that we see the world as it is. But biology tells a different story. We were not designed to see the truth. We were designed to survive. Perhaps if we saw too much, too clearly, too completely, we would not have survived at all. And maybe, right now, in the very room where you are sitting, there are colors that have never been named, not because they are far away, but because the human brain was never meant to see them. Follow the channel for the next story.